Good morning, guys! Hi, it's a nice day today, and it's one of our best friends' birthday today. It's Malu's birthday. Diba, Mami? Happy birthday, Malu!
Happy birthday, Malu!
So, here we are at a Eagle restaurant. At dito kami magse-celebrate ng birthday ni Malu. So, hinihintay lang natin ang birthday celebrant ngayon. And she'll be here soon. Alam niyo naman, ang mga celebrant, matagal eh. Matagal mag-makeup. Alright, see you later!
Ito yung gift mo.
Mwah.
Ano dito na lang, iwan ko dito.
Sige ate. Ang kamata.
Happy birthday, Aji. I love you. Many more birthdays to come.
Oo nga. Thank you. I think this is the stage now for menopausal period. I'm getting older. Oh my God. Welcome to the club.
I know that.
So, this will be mine. Ito, chicken liver pate and sirloin na lang ako. With peppercorn sauce. At saka ikaw ay yung hanging sa'yo. Tama.
Ito na lang siguro yung chicken and chorizo. Malaki lang parang magnifying.
Ano sa'yo, Malu? Ano order mo?
Basta na.
Ako kuya, sirloin.
Patay pala tayo eh.
Without the lumpy. So they can do it. So, okay then. So include it then. Yeah. So it's not no. Okay, so that's yours. Yeah.
And then one sirloin with peppercorn.
Yeah. Pepsi. Yeah. Do you want
Pepsi.
please? It's Pepsi.
One duo pork please,
Yeah.
and one sweet potato.
Masarap. Mas masarap siya pag may ganyan.
Masarap.
Ito masarap.
Yan.
Masarap po yan.
Plain lang. Ikaw, Mami.
Masarap.
Talaga? Ito, ang sarap nito.
Sickness na yun.
Chicken liver pate. Kain mo na kami.
Sabi ko, ay,
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manu. Happy birthday to you.
One more. Mabilis.
okay na. Sister,
Ayan.
gawa ni ate ano, di ba tatanggalin natin to? May papel. Hindi ba daw yung edible? Hindi.
Lagi mo na yung butterfly. Lagi mo yung butterfly sa gilid. Ayan, o ganyan dito. Ano sister?
Try na.
Sige nga. Sige mo. Ikaw, ano ka? Try mo.
Hindi ko naman masagit eh.